record. What up to my new? Anyways, we're back to Grow Garden.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, we got celestial blood bananas. We got mangoes. My rarest one's probably my $1 million celestial wet gold coconut. Here, it's over $1 million. Wait, let me check if I have any more pets. Bro, my moon melon is celestial.
Hey.
Oh wait, you're still on. Oh wait.
Are you still watching his videos?
And then we got the blood.
Yeah?
We got the peach blood, blue lit celestial peach. And then we got celestial blueberries, apples. I think one is this. No, this not. I think it's thunder. No, it's not. No, it's not. It's frozen.
Nigger.
So, do not hear that. It's non-family friendly word. So, but the chant's family friendly, but someone just said a unfamily friendly word. So, yeah. So you can skip it if you want to. Oh wait, but how are you recording? My bad. Anyways, can you help me find a moonlit fruit, because one fruit got moonlit, but I can't find it. I need 3 more points just to wait. How much more minutes from the event? Oh, 5 minutes. I'm on time. 5 minutes left. I'm on time. So lucky me. All right. Oh, there's no grapefruit. Static. Daily quest. 3 seed packs. Plant 5 watermelon. Pumpkin and watermelon. So I'll get pumpkin, nope. Watermelon, no. Bro, then I'm stuck. What? I need to buy Robux. I'm too scared to collect one of these. These can be worth a lot. They're like probably $1 million. I don't know, bro. The bamboos, they cost so much money. One bamboo is bigger than my whole big cactus. Is that that's a large cactus right there. How big is that cactus? Cactus fruit. I think I had a bigger one. Yeah, I didn't know. I think I had a bigger one. This eye, just make it gold. Just make it celestial and bloodlit and tie. Or better, like moonlit, so I can give it to that bird who wants it all. Like he greedy. I like this peach bloodlit celestial. I want this become frozen like the rest. This one is just a. This is a chilled apple celestial. That's a. Kind of cool. The corns are worthless. Like one's just white. That's it. Countdown. Alright. I'll make a countdown at 50. Alright. 50, 40, 47, 46, 45, 44, 43, 42, 41, 39, 38, 37, 36, 35, 34, 33, 32, 31, 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go! Did it just come from the ground? Twilight. Moon mango. I like that. I want moon mango. I gotta check out my. Be on the lookout. Let's see. Do you want? What? Anyways, oh, my moon. Yeah. We got the bamboo. No. Please don't say it's my biggest bamboo. Oh, no. I'm about to be scared, though. I have to give it to him. I want the egg. How did that work? you go to your house?
Yes, done killing them.
Yeah. The roast? Yeah, I want more rice. Yeah, I want more rice and eggs. I'm hungry. Sorry. You gotta do it though. You gotta do it. I can't. Take it. Four. Ha, five. I'll do it. Did I move it? Oh, yeah. Nice and 4 hours. It's alright. God. I'm forcing you this time. No. Mushroom! I never used a mushroom, but I can use it. Don't you know how what if I just spread it out? I don't want. I'll buy a lot just for my I don't care if I waste all my money. I need my. There you go. Come on. This is great. Bamboo! Biggest one probably is. Why is it blue? I mean, this is probably my biggest one. I should lie. Shit. Giant piece of bamboo is helping you. Yeah. Whoa! My biggest mushroom ever. This is not that big compared to a bamboo, but it costs a lot of money. I'm in the air. I was a fairy. You better give me something good. That's it. The moment, even though you're celestial, need money. I'm speechless. I fell from my bed. I gotta go to my table. I'm speechless. I only got 4. How much did it cost? 2 million? Probably. I was so stunned that I fell down anyways, you want this? I'll give this to someone. Go. 42. The person that has 42 dollars for $42,000. I think I'm gonna earn this. Never mind. He left. She left. I think. No. Buy is the word. I bet. Buy. I'm gonna give you. I'll give you $1 million. No one helped you, and no one helped me. But I want you someone to help you. Accept. Only. I want to. You got chickens. 10%. Now I got 20%. I think the rooster gives me 20. I don't know how. No. What? Wait. It was mailman. Mailman, but why? Oh, it's long. It's a shirt. I hate you. I mean, how much does it cost? I'll feed you it. I'll feed you it if I want to. Not that much. I'll feed you it. You good? You're hungry, weren't you? Yep. I have to feed him since I'm only for the both these. I mean, which one's the smallest? This one. Celestial Bumble body. Come here. No, come here. You're doing a good job. You're doing good. I'm feeding them because I need them more than ever. I mean, he has less hunger. No, I think he has more hunger. I don't know. Bamboo. You got a Deegan Kilmer got a hurdle. I think it was 14. But I didn't buy that one. Hold on. Let's buy. And see if I left one out. Nope. Okay, well, no. Alright, everything's good. No way. The biggest one here is probably no so close. I thought it was gonna be the new biggest one. Nope. favorite junior? The only reason he's actually getting money is part of these moo melons. Imagine just stealing like. Every sending a praise for. I know. Yeah. Well, let's do a construct on this one. Move it. I'm taking this one. Look here. I wonder I'm about robots and I steal it. Nah! The whole tomato thing went. I want to get him dead, but nah! Yeah. Please, my motion. Just do more motion. My motion. I need my motion. I just need all my motion. My motion, just all my motion. All my motion. I don't care about APS, just all my motions. All my motions. I want it on them motions. What the heck? Nothing, barely anything got struck by lightning. Need this this chill shocked apple. Yeah. Not bad. It's not gonna be worth that much, isn't it? No. I don't think so. I'm gonna pause the recording for a minute because I have to do something. I have to do something like I have to make something. Wait, I need to pause this for a while. I know. I could also say it. I'll not pause it. I'm not gonna pause it. If I have an editor, take that out, please. Wait, what do you want? You have the most right here, bro. I mean, you have the most. Yo, bro. You got. Bro. Don't be dumb. Like, what the hell is this garden? It says here. Oh, damn. Like, damn, bro. If you were... Like, bro. What? Is that shocked? Anyway. Why? Yeah, it's shocked. Like, damn. Like, bro, you give me some fruit, bro. Okay. I want more of that fruit, bro. Look, I need it for a vent. Damn, he left. Stop. I'm probably one of the lowest. He just left. And yet, Pato. I mean, should let you wet. Most of the things. One is wet. I mean, no. I mean, it's alright, but look mine. don't know if we have a big coconut tree. I think so. I don't know. I have the biggest. My cactus destroyed you. I think my cactus won that one either way. I think my cactus is the biggest one here. That's the smallest beanstalk I ever saw. That's the smallest beanstalk I ever seen. Bro! A big chunk of land is stuck in two places. This one, this place, or this place. Those two places, not this one, this special stuff. But it took a little bit. Laura, you know what? We'll go for the ocean. Go here for a little bit. Like one. I'm gonna go here. Two. What the hell? Pumpkin seed. Pumpkin seed, really? How much does it cost? Oh, anyways, I have to fold. Okay, that's nice. Bread. Is this bread? This is bread. There's bread. Take one bread. I have to take one of these bread. I took a bread. Boy. Bread. Bread. Legendary. You better give me something good. Oh, it's mystical. Better be good. The reason I buying this because I know what to do. Okay. Goodness. Okay. Alright. Of course. Okay. How dare you? Hello, the hedgehog. I'm just gonna give you. The deer. Probably the newest one. I think. I don't remember, but I think it's. Well. This is pretty good. It is right. I remember we just started as a carrot. And now it became this. Really kind of good. I like it. Yeah. Bacon here. Kind of looks like a bacon, not gonna lie. I mean, it's supposed to be. I think I don't. I expect more of a meatball spaghetti. I don't know. Brown. I have pepper seed. It's $1 million pepper seed. It's $1 million pepper seed.
Yeah.
Peppers.
Huh?
Wait.
Who?
Some guy.
You open the door?
I look at the thing first.
Mom told you to get burned.
Nothing more better, but wait 20 minutes. Sorry guys, but I have to hop into my server because I was bored, and then I stopped here talking. I'm just happy. Yeah, bruh. What's that? Not that bad. I've got No! Cut here. There we go. Yeah. Yeah. Really? nap. Yes. All nap right there. I remember him taking a nap right here. There's a bill on my highlight. This is me and my stuff. There's a wood banana. How is this bus? Hey! I'll save it. I'll give it some they need it. Who has 1 billion? Ah! I think it's not. I'm an AFK for a while, so I'm AFK for like 20 minutes. 20 minutes. So, yeah. Anyway, even 20 minutes. And then I came back to this. Yeah. No. Millions. Don't do Let's see. Do you have any more? all for today. See you next time on JLM video. I didn't make an outro yet.